Let's dive into MongoDB performance monitoring. We will discuss key metrics to keep an eye on and the various tools available for performance tracking. By the end of this, you'll have a solid understanding of how to ensure your MongoDB databases are running smoothly and efficiently. Why should you monitor your MongoDB performance? Well, monitoring helps you optimize query performance. You can identify slow queries and bottlenecks, which leads to improving application response times. It also enables proactive issue detection, allowing you to catch performance problems before they impact the user experience. Monitoring is all about keeping your database healthy and your users happy. To effectively monitor MongoDB, we need to focus on several key categories of performance metrics. These include database metrics, which cover operations, connections, and overall resource usage. Then there are system metrics, which focus on CPU, memory, disk, and network performance. And finally, query metrics, which help in analyzing query performance and execution statistics. Each of these categories provides a different perspective on your database's health. Let's start with database metrics. Under operations, important things to monitor include operations per second, read or write ratios, command counts, and the number of failed operations. For connections, keep an eye on active connections, available connections, connection pool usage, and any connection timeouts. These metrics give you insights into the database's workload and its ability to handle requests. Next, we have system metrics. For resource usage, track CPU utilization, memory consumption, disk input-output operations, and network throughput. When it comes to storage, you should monitor disk space usage, index size, data size growth, and write concern latency. System metrics help you understand how MongoDB is utilizing the server's resources and identify any potential bottlenecks. Now, let's look at query performance metrics. Under execution stats, monitor query execution time, number of documents examined, number of documents returned, and index usage efficiency. For identifying performance issues, keep an eye on slow query logs, query plan analysis, lock contention, and collection scan frequency. These metrics are crucial for identifying and resolving slow queries that can impact application performance. MongoDB comes with several built-in tools that can help with performance monitoring. Mongostat provides real-time statistics about MongoDB server operations and performance. Mongotop tracks the time spent reading and writing data per collection. The profiler captures slow operations and queries, which can then be analyzed to improve performance. These tools are a great starting point for monitoring your MongoDB instances. If you're using MongoDB Atlas, you have access to powerful monitoring features within the platform. Under dashboard features, you can leverage real-time metrics, a performance advisor, query optimization tools, and index suggestions. You can also set up custom alert conditions, receive email notifications, integrate with Slack, and even automate responses to certain events. Atlas monitoring provides a comprehensive view of your database's health and performance. In addition to the built-in tools and Atlas monitoring, there are also many third-party monitoring tools available. For enterprise solutions, popular options include Datadog, New Relic, AppDynamics, and Splunk. If you prefer open-source tools, consider using Prometheus with Grafana, Zabbix, Nagios, or the Elastic Stack. These tools offer advanced monitoring capabilities and integrations to fit various needs and environments. To wrap up, let's cover some best practices and key takeaways. Monitor continuously by setting up automated alerts, conducting regular performance reviews, establishing a baseline, and proactively optimizing. Remember, a performance-first mindset and data-driven decisions are essential for maintaining a healthy and efficient MongoDB deployment. By following these guidelines, you can ensure your databases are always running at their best. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.